Worship this King of Glory. He is the reason for your existence. He is the reason you are alive today. He is the reason you are breathing. Imagine me living life without you. Everything is incomplete without you. Life makes no sense without you.